Sum number 6. In a class, there are 30 boys and 25 girls. Find the ratio of the number of boys to that of girls. That means we have to write 30 by 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30 is equal to 6 is to 5. We got the first part answer. Now the second part of the same question, it says we have to find the ratio of the girls to that of the total number of students. Now, total number of students is equal to 30 were boys and 25 were girls. That's coming down to 55. Therefore, now we have to find the ratio of girls to that of total students. So number of girls is 25 by total number of students. 5 5s are 25, 5 11s are 55. We cannot reduce this any further. So your answer is 5 is to 1. Now we'll come to the third part of this question. It says that now we have to find the ratio of the number of boys to that of the total number of students. So number of boys is 30 and total number of students is 55. 5 6 are 30, 5 11s are 55. Excuse me. 6 is to 11. This is the answer of sum number 6. Now we will come to sum number 7. It says, in a year, Reena earns 1,50,000 and saves 50,000. So now we have to find the ratio of money she earns to the money she saves. So 7 part number 1, money she earns is 1,50,000 to 50,000. Cut the equal number of numbers. 5 1s are, 5 3s are. It's coming down to 3 is to 1. Now the second part of the same sum. Now we have to find the ratio of the money that she saves to the money she spends. Now what is the amount of money she spends? In that case we need to subtract the money she earns from the money she saves. That means she is spending rupees 1 lakh. So now we have to find the ratio of money she saves to the money she spends. So saves by spent. Cut the equal number of zeros. 5 1s are, 5 2s are. The answer is 1 is to 2. Here we complete sum number 7. Now we'll come to sum number 8. It says the monthly expense of a student have increased from 350. The monthly expense of a student have increased from rupees 350 to rupees 500. So now we have to find the ratio of the increase in expense to original expense. So the increase in expense to original expense is equal to 500 minus 350, which is coming down to 150. So 150 is the amount increased. So 150 by the original 350. Now let us reduce. 5 3s are, 5 7s are. So ratio is 3 is to 7. This was sum number 8 part 1. Now we'll come to sum number 8 part 2. They want us to find the ratio of original expense to increased expense. So the original expense was 350 and increased is 500. So let us evaluate. 5 sevens are, 5 tens are is equal to 7 is to 10. Now we'll come to sub part 3. Now we have to find the ratio of increased expenses to increase in expenses. So now increased expenses was 500 and increased in expenses was 150. 5 threes are, 5 tens are is equal to 10 is to 3. Here we have completed sum number 8. Now sum number 9. Mr. Mahajan and his wife are both school teachers and earn rupees 20,900 and rupees 18,700 per month respectively. Find the ratio of Mr. Mahajan's income to his wife's income. Very simple. Mr. Mahajan's income was 20,900 and his wife's was 18,700. Cancel the number of zeros. 11, 17, 11, 19. So we have the ratio 19 by 17. Now number 9, subpart 2, they want us to find the ratio of Mrs. Mahajan's income to the total income of both. Now total income is 20900 plus 18700 is coming down to 3960. So the income of Mrs. Mahajan is 18700 by 39600. Cut the equal number of zeros. 11 ones are 11, 11 sevens are 77, 11 3, 11 6. 17 is to 36. This is the answer. Now we'll solve sum number 10. It says out of 30 students in a class, 6 like football, 12 like cricket and the remaining like tennis. So first let us find out the number of students likes tennis. It will be very simple. 30 minus 6 plus 12. So 30 minus 18 which is equal to 12. Now subpart 1, it says we have to find the ratio of number of students liking football to the number of students liking tennis. Number of students liking football is 6 and number of students as we have find out who plays tennis is 12. So 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. So ratio is 1:2. Now subpart 2, number of students liking cricket to the total number of students. Now number of students who like cricket is 12 and total number of students is 30. 2 6 are 12, 2 15, 3 2s are 3 5s are is equal to 2:5 is the answer. Now we proceed with sum number 11. It says which ratio is greater, 3:4 or 2:3. So now in this case we have to change this into fraction form and we will take out the LCM the way we regularly find out greater or lesser. So the LCM is 12, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8. So now let us split this. Is equal to 9 by 12 and 8 by 12. So which is greater? No doubt 9 by 12. So this is the answer. Now we will come to subpart 2. Again, which is greater, 11 is to 21 or 15 is to 28. We have to change this into fraction form. Take out its LCM. The LCM will be 21, 28. 3 7s are 21, 28. 7 1s are 7, 4s are 28. So the LCM comes down to 84. So 21 4s are 84, 4 11s are 44, 28 3s are 84, 3 15s are 45. Let us split this fraction. 44 by 84, 45 by 84. So here which is greater? 45 by, that means the actual ratio 15 is to 25 is greater. Sum number 12. We have to divide rupees 560. Rupees 560 have to be divided between Ramu and Munni in the ratio 3 is to 2. Therefore total is 3 plus 2, it becomes 5. So Ramu's share will be 3 by 5 into 560, the total amount. 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 2s are. Now 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. This is the amount Ramu will be getting. Now what about Munni? Let us evaluate. Munni's share will be 2 by 5 into the total amount 1 1 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. This is the amount Munni will be getting. 15,000 and 25,000 respectively to start a business. They decided the profit in the ratio of their investment. If their profit is rupees 12,000, how much does each get? So first of all, we have to find the total investment. Is equal to 15,000 plus 25,000. That's coming down to rupees 40,000. Profit is equal to rupees 12,000. So now how much does each get? So first and foremost we have to find the ratio in terms of the investment. So 15,000 by 25,000. Got the number of zeros. 5 3s are, 5 5s are. So this is the ratio according to which their profit will be divided. So 3 is, say, person A. Person A is 3. Person B is 5. So A gets, which is coming down to 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So A gets 3 by 8 of the profit, that is 12,000. 2 4s are, 2 6s are. 2 twos are 2 threes are 2 ones are 2 15, which is equal to 4500. This is the amount person A got. Person B got 5 by 8 again into the profit. Fifteen fives is 75,000. Sum number 14. The ratio of Ankur's money to Roma's money is 9:11. If Ankur money has rupees 540, how much money does Roma have? So, ratio of Ankur on Roma is equal to 9 by 11. So, Ankur is 540. So, what is Roma's amount? So, let Roma's amount be X. So 9 by 11 is equal to 540 by X. So let us cross multiply, or 9X is equal to 540 into 11, or X is equal to 540 into 11 by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54, 0. X is equal to 6 11s are 66, 0. This is the answer. Now we'll come to the last sum of this exercise, that is sum number 15. It says the ratio of the weight of tin and zinc in an alloy is 2:5. How much zinc is there in 31.5 gram of alloy? We all know that alloy is a mixture of two or more metals together. So now let us evaluate. The weight of tin by zinc is equal to 2 by 5. And total amount is 31.5 gram of alloy. So we have to find how much zinc are there in the 31.5 gram of alloy. So first 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So zinc is equal to 5 by 7 of 31.5, which is equal to 5 by 7 into 31.5, and in order to remove this decimal we add a 0 below. 5 ones are 5 twos are 7 ones are 7 4 5. So 45 by 2. So now we are going to divide this. 45 by 2. 2 twos are 4. Bring down 5. 2 twos are 4. 1. Place a decimal here. Bring 1 0 here. 2 5s are 10. Is equal to 22.5 gram of zinc is your answer.